Let's take a look at number 29. Here we have it. The sentence currently reads, however, although well compensated, earning in 2012 a median salary of 90,930, PAs cost health providers less than physicians. Okay, so what's sort of strange about the way it's written right now is that you basically have this piece of information inserted that's not really essential to the sentence, but it's not separated out in any way. What I mean by that is, again, this basically everything before this comma and after compensated, so this line right here, um, it doesn't in any way contribute to the structure of the sentence. What the message here is that PAs are well compensated, but they still cost health providers less than physicians. This statement of how much they actually, earn, that's just sort of additional information to help make this point. So we probably want to separate this out in some way. Maybe put, two commas around it to maybe, sort of separate it out and make it a descriptor of what well compensated means, or maybe put it in parentheses or something like that. So let's look at our options. So A is out. Again, we want to separate this statement from the rest of the sentence because it is not essential to the structure. So then B, compensated, in parentheses, earning in 2012 a median salary of 90,930. Okay, so I mean that certainly gets the job done. Just straight up put it in parentheses to separate it out, to designate that this is useful additional information, but again, not necessary for the structure of the sentence. So not bad. C, put a parenthesis after compensated, but remove the one at the very end. So that doesn't really work out because okay, so the separation between compensated and earning is useful here, what they added, but removing the separation between 90,000 and PAs doesn't do us any favors. Again, we want this whole section separated from the rest of the sentence. If you remove this separation, it doesn't make sense to just go straight from 90,000 to PAs cost healthcare providers less. So what about D? Okay, it just does a colon. This wouldn't be bad if the sentence ended right here. I mean, okay, it'd still be a little bit awkward. It's better to at least do a dash or something. But basically, this still doesn't. If you put the colon here, you're saying that everything that follows the colon goes to describe compensated. But here we have all this other stuff which doesn't go to describe compensated, so we can't put the colon this early if the sentence goes on for that long. So basically, B is our answer here, and the reason is that it's the only option that effectively isolates this information from the rest of the sentence to designate it as relevant but not essential. So B is our answer.